Asuntosköhtyä Tuomisen kivimuuri.
When was it built originally? The building?
1920.
28. Added later in 1970, December since 18392.
1910, not 20.
In 10.
Yeah.
Could have been also gated and still amazing.
Yeah,
How this house is built here.
same.
Give us these three purposes of the roof house.
Dit vaikka vain diskuterat meitä pautassa on oikeat kätkäs.
Beautiful numbers on the doors.
Yeah. Was it staircase A?
Each staircase. What was the address?
Sukkavartaankatu 8, I think.
Have you filmed any other of these before?
No.
So the staircase is B, C, D, and D also, but I don't know if it's D and D. But
Yeah, I'm so.
check it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's the threshold. Yeah. That's